Kung merong large, medium, and small size gaming headset kagaya nito, meron pang mas maliit na gaming headset na kagaya nito. Hi, my name is Zeus Langkayana. Welcome to ZL Meet TV. Today's video guys, I would like to invite you to join me as I unbox, review, and test these two smallest gaming headsets na nabili ko dito sa Thailand and from online shopping store like Lazada. And syempre, unahin na natin tong Riz. Okay, this is Riz. This is locally made here in Thailand and nabili ko to sa 7-Eleven and it costs 199 baht. Okay, so these are the things inside this box. Just like the regular earphone that we know, ganun din yung itsura niya. Okay, so let's read the specs. Okay, type is in-ear. Okay, in-ear. In-ear. This one. Ito yung tinatawag na in-ear kasi earphone nga siya. Okay? And then frequency type 220 Hz to 20 kHz, impedance 6 ohms. Cord length is 1.2 meters. So yung cord length niya, yung cable is 1.2 meters long. Ayan na, ganito kahaba siya guys. And then driver diameter is 10 mm. So yung driver diameter niya guys ay 10 mm. And then sensitivity is negative 55 to 1 dB. Okay, and then plug type is 3.5 mm TRRS connector. The plug type is one. And then directivity is omnidirectional. So this is the spec for the detachable microphone. So this is the detachable microphone guys. Maliit siya, super liit. And then ipa-plug lang natin ta siya sa left earphone like this. Okay, ayan. Ganyan. Ito na siya. So, ganito yung magiging look mo kapag suot mo na tong ganito. Okay, so ayan. See? Okay. And the last one is the thank you card from Riz. So, this is made in Thailand, guys. This is locally made in Thailand. So, I'm not sure if this is available in other countries like Philippines or Asian countries. Okay, now this time, guys, ito namang G901. This is the G901 in-ear gaming earphones. Same thing with the Riz in-ear gaming earphones. It also has a detachable rod microphone. Okay, so ayan, unahin na natin tong earphone niya. Ito guys, the cable is tidy. Hindi siya kagaya ng isa na magulo. Oh. Yan, this is the G901 and this is made in China. Okay, and I bought this from Lazada guys for only 154 baht, including the shipping fee na yan. Yung connector niya, so ayan, ito. This is TRRS connector but this time L-shape naman siya. Okay, so yung isa straight lang. This one is L-shape. And this thing right here, it locks into your ear. Okay, pakita ko sa inyo ha. Okay, so like this. Nakalock talaga yun siya dito guys. Can you see it? Okay, so ayan. Nakalock siya. Okay, and then same look pa rin guys sa mga regular and ordinary earphones. Meron pa rin siyang inline microphone here. Okay, and then over here may button dito. This is to answer the call. And then this one is the sliding volume rocker naman. So, slide naman siya. Okay? So, magkaiba yung yung style. On top of this, of course, yung detachable microphone, you just have to plug this in here. Okay? This is it. Okay? Suot natin. Okay. Okay, so ito yung itsura niya, guys. Kita niya? Okay. Mas gusto ko yung pagka-fit nito because of the thing like this one, it locks here. Yung isa wala. Okay? And then on top of this guys, meron pa siyang audio headphone adapter para sa PC. Kasi normally PC and laptops have two ports for the headphone. One port for the microphone and one port for the headphone. Kaya meron siyang adapter. So G901 has advantage over the Riz in-ear gaming earphone. And another thing, it has also an extra ear lock like this one. Okay, and then meron pa siyang clip. Okay, so ayan. Magagamit mo to kung ayaw mong gamitin yung microphone, automatically the inline microphone will be activated. Same thing with the wrist also. Kaya lang yung wrist wala siyang clip. And then another extra here is the extra 2 earbud in different sizes also, medium and small. The one used here is a large one. And then the last thing that makes this G901 worth the buy is the pouch bag. So pag nilagay mo na to siya lahat dito, let's say for example nandito na siya lahat, this is pocketable. This is very mobile. So lagay mo lang siya sa pocket and then you're good to go. Diba? So but anyway, I have an old pocket pouch bag. This is a pouch bag actually for Boya BYM1 lavalier microphone. Ito na gagamitin ko para sa wrist. Okay, so okay na rin. Okay, so going back to these two small gaming earphones, itong wrist, pwede mo lang to siyang gamitin sa phone kasi wala siyang adapter. But good thing I bought this G901 kasi meron siyang adapter. So pwede ko na rin siyang gamitin sa PC or laptop. But if you don't have an adapter like this, pang phone lang talaga siya. But keep in mind guys that these two earphones here are not 7.1 surround sound. Okay, so yung 7.1 surround sound version of this G901 is pricey. It costs almost 1,000 baht. And the plug type or the connector type is USB Type-C. Mas maganda yon. Pero ito na lang, mas mura. May 154 baht. Kayang-kaya. Okay, so yan. So this time, for the test guys, since maliit yung earphone, kung ilalapit ko lang siya sa lavalier microphone, hindi nyo ma-appreciate yung ma-appreciate nyo lang yung sound kung isusuot nyo. Ganda ng sound nyo guys. So I'm using right now the G901. So for the microphone test of these two in-ear gaming earphones, ay magre-record na lang ako sa Audacity, and then certain portion ay no enhancement, and then another portion will be enhanced audio. So para makita nyo kung gaano kaganda gamitin din yung ganitong klaseng mic headset. Okay, so let's go to the test. Okay, yan. So start na natin i-test ito. Unahin na natin tong wrist, and of course, para magamit ito, since wala siyang adapter, gagamitin natin tong adapter mula sa G901. Okay? So, saksak muna natin ito dito. And then, saksak na natin to sa dun sa adapter. And then this time, we are going to open Audacity. So, open natin yung Audacity, guys. Kung ayaw ng Audacity, guys, you can use Adobe Audition. Kung mas sanay kayo doon. Ang professional talaga yan, guys. Okay, so ayan, open na natin, guys. So this time, i-check natin yung microphone. So since yung microphone nito ay hindi ma-detect kung anong brand, so remain siya dito sa microphone Realtek R. Okay, and then sa stereo record, click stereo, wag mono kasi magre-record ka. And then dito sa speakers, of course yung speaker natin ay Realtek, so Realtek din tayo. Okay, this time we are going to click the record button here. Okay guys, so this is not the sound of Breeze in-ear gaming headset. So ito na yung sound niya guys. So what do you think? Okay, so this is not the enhanced audio. Okay, so this one is the enhanced audio. Testing microphone 1, 2, 3. So what do you say guys? Please leave your comments below. Okay? So this time, papalitan na natin to ng G901. I really like this. Fit na fit talaga siya. It's because of the rubberized lock dito sa sa ear. Okay, so ayan. Okay, so this time we are going to test this one guys. So this is G901. Okay. Let's click the record. Ayan guys, this is now the sound coming from the G901 in-ear gaming earphones. This is not the enhanced sound or audio. Okay, testing microphone 1, 2, 3. And now this is the enhanced audio of G901. or one in-ear gaming microphone or gaming earphones. Okay, testing microphone 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what do you say, guys? Please leave your comments below. Thank you. Okay, guys, so that's it. What do you say about the quality of these two in-ear gaming earphones? Please leave your comments below, guys. And there's one tip, guys, that I would like to share to you guys. Kung gusto niyo nang ma-base yung dating ng ng pinapakinggan nyo, or while you are doing an online gaming, or you're just playing a game, use the large one. Yung malaki ang earbuds, use it. Mas maganda ang dating ng bass niya. Okay? So, yun lang, guys. Maraming salamat, guys, sa inyong pag-join sa ating unboxing review and test. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you sa panonood. And sana nagustuhan nyo to, guys. If you like this video, please leave your comments below. And feel free to share, guys. Thank you so much. And of course, if this is your first time to visit my channel, please consider subscribing by clicking the red button below and the bell notification icon so that you won't miss any video like this. And some tutorials like how to grow your channel, and also some gaming videos that I upload in my channel. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. See you in the next video.